Welcome to Simple but Deep. Today we're taking a closer look at something you see every day, but may not have thought much about. Why is the sky blue? Let's start with the simple answer. The sky appears blue because of the way sunlight interacts with our atmosphere. Sunlight might look white, but it's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it hits tiny molecules in the air, like nitrogen and oxygen. These molecules scatter the sunlight in all directions. Blue light has shorter, smaller waves than other colors, so it gets scattered more than the rest. This is why, when you look up during the day, the sky looks blue, because that blue light is being scattered all around you. So the sky is blue because of how sunlight and air molecules work together to scatter blue light more than the other colors. Now let's dive a little deeper into the science behind why the sky is blue. To fully understand this, we need to talk about light and the way it travels. Sunlight, though it appears white to us, is actually made up of many different colors, each with a different wavelength. Red light, for example, has a long wavelength, while blue and violet light have much shorter wavelengths. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it encounters gases and particles. As light passes through the air, it gets scattered by these particles. This scattering of light is described by a phenomenon known as Rayleigh scattering, named after the British scientist Lord Rayleigh, who first explained it. Rayleigh scattering tells us that light with shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, is scattered much more than light with longer wavelengths, like red or yellow. So why isn't the sky violet, since violet light has an even shorter wavelength than blue? The answer lies in two things: the sensitivity of our eyes and the distribution of light. Our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than violet light, and there is more blue light in sunlight than violet light. Additionally, some of the violet light gets absorbed by the upper atmosphere, so what we see is mostly the blue scattered light. At sunrise and sunset, the sky often turns shades of red, orange, and pink. This happens because the sun is lower in the sky, and its light has to pass through more of Earth's atmosphere to reach us. During this longer journey, the shorter wavelength blue light gets scattered out of view, leaving behind the reds and oranges we see during these times of day. In essence, the blue color of the sky during the day is the result of Rayleigh scattering, which causes shorter wavelength blue light to be scattered in all directions, making the sky appear blue from our perspective. So the next time you look up at a clear blue sky, remember, it's all about the way light dances through our atmosphere. What seems like a simple, everyday sight is actually a beautiful interplay of physics and nature. If you enjoyed exploring this topic with us and want to dive into more fascinating questions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. At Simple but Deep, we take everyday curiosities and provide deep, insightful answers in an easy-to-understand way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.